Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home and we're here to help you decide which spin mops to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. Mopping floors takes the longest of all cleaning procedures. Cleaning hard flooring takes a little more effort than cleaning carpets. You can vacuum or dry mop to eliminate surface dust and filth, but wet mopping is essential for a thorough clean of your hard surfaces. Spin mops, unlike regular mops, are designed to remove the ick factor from wet mopping and eliminate the labor of hand cleaning your mop head. Instead, spin mops have a number of techniques to clean and dry mop heads automatically, including innovative handles, foot pedals, and bucket that allow for touchless wringing. Most spin mops are also reasonably priced, making them a cost-effective addition to your cleaning arsenal. In this video, we offered a list of the best spin mops for your cleaning chores. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The spin mops that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The spin mop coming in at number 5 in our list is the Libman Spin Mop and Bucket. The Libman Spin Mop comes with a stainless steel handle. The rest of the mop, including the mop base, is composed of plastic. The good thing is that it's relatively light, so maneuvering it won't be difficult. Our team would like to highlight that the bucket, which comprises the spin chamber and handles, is made of a thin plastic material. Given this, you should avoid lifting it by the handle since it may not be able to support the weight if it's full of water. Furthermore, the microfiber heads are on the thin side. They'll be able to absorb water, but only to a limited extent. For the most part, the spin chamber works well. It can sometimes extract a lot of water, leaving the microfiber mop head a little dry. It's also worth noting that the wringer can be removed and washed. The Libman Spin Mop is extremely light, making it easy to maneuver. It's also small, so it won't take up much room in your storage. Since the handle is adjustable, you can adjust it to fit your height. The Libman Spin Mop is ideal for cleaning on a daily basis. It may not get rid of difficult stains, but it'll get rid of dust and other materials on the surface. You wouldn't expect a product with such cleaning qualities to be so affordable. As a result, we ranked it 5th in our list. The spin mop coming in at number 4 in our list is the Hurricane Spin Mop. The mop head of the Hurricane Spin Mop can revolve 360 degrees. The centrifugal spin produced by this rotating mop head is extremely powerful. It becomes much easier to dry the mop as a result of this. When cleaning beneath the furniture, you'll get the most out of a revolving mop head. Since you can position this spinning mop head low, you can easily reach those surfaces. The microfiber head is capable of picking up 10 times its own weight. The head's wonderful feature is that it doesn't leave any water on the floor when it's set up. We used to have to rinse the mop and then wring it out before putting it in the sink, but this is no longer necessary with the Hurricane Spin Mop. The mop head is of such high quality that it can even be machine washed. As a result, you'll obtain a long-lasting mop head. Since the mop head is replaceable, you can quickly purchase a new one just in case it wears out. The dry mop head can also be used to clear dust and pet hair off the bare floor. The Hurricane 360 Spin Mop and Bucket are made of extremely durable materials. It has a stainless steel handle and an aluminum frame. Its long-lasting design makes it excellent for repeated usage as well as vigorous scrubbing. At an affordable pricing point, the Hurricane 360 Spin Mop and Bucket are more durable than any other spin mop on the market. Its pedal-activated wringing method was very simple to use and resulted in a moist and controlled head. It came in 4th place because of its effective wringing action and absorbent microfiber head. The spin mop coming in at number 3 in our list is the Mopnado Deluxe Rolling Spin Mop. The Mopnado Deluxe is a mop and bucket system that eliminates the need for users to touch unclean water or strain themselves trying to wring a wet mop. The handle on this mop is composed of stainless steel, making it more durable than other handles on the market. It measures 56 inches long and can be expanded using a simple twist and lock mechanism. To adjust the length of the handle, simply twist it to the appropriate length and lock it in place. To retract the handle, twist it to unlock it and then let it glide back down into position. The mop heads on the Mopnado are made of soft microfiber and are designed to clean a range of floors without scratching or damaging them. They're simple to change with a technique that doesn't require you to bend over at all. The mop heads can be machine washed and dried after each usage. Our team would like to highlight that there are 2 sides to the mop bucket. On one side, there's a soap dispenser that's simple to remove and refill. 1 gallon of water can be held in the bucket. The spin-dry basket, on the other hand, is composed of robust stainless steel. This basket won't rust, absorb stains, and emit odors, and it can be cleaned between uses to avoid mold and mildew growth. When you compare the price of the Mopnado Deluxe rolling spin mop system to the cost of other types of mops on the market, you'll see that it pays for itself in savings over throwaway items. Aside from the financial benefits, it's better for the environment than using throwaway cloth that cannot be washed, reused, or recycled in any way. That's why we placed it at the number 3 in our list. The spin mop coming in at number 2 on our list is the Tsmine Spin Mop. The Tsmine Spin Mop bucket is designed to make the mop head simple to clean. Our team would like to make mention that the bucket has wheels, which makes it easier to maneuver when it's full. The mop, on the other hand, is quite versatile. You can use it to clean windows, shower stalls, boats, cars, and more in addition to the floor. Additionally, it can be used both wet and dry. The spin mop is simple to put together. Begin by unscrewing the nut on the base. The handle should then be inserted into the plate. Tighten the bolt once you've done that. Then it's just only a matter of putting the pad on. Simply line the mop head with a plate to achieve this. You should hear a click once it's attached if you lightly step on it. One of the most appealing features of this mop is that it includes not 1, not 2, but 6 mop refills. Given that they're also machine washable, it should be enough to last you several months. The bucket, on the other hand, is most likely the highlight. It has a metal wringer on the left side that you can use to wring out the unclean water because of the way it's made. If you do it right, you'll be able to remove the surplus water without dirtying your hands. Metal and stainless steel are used for both the handle and the base plate. Cleaning the house is easy with the Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket Cleaning System. It'll provide you with a unique experience while also making cleaning easier. For that reason, it earned the 2nd spot in our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 spin mop in our list, the BISSELL Spinwave Mop. The Spinwave has a diameter of 12.25 inches and a height of 3.25 inches, which is an average size for robot vacuums. It's one of the more appealing models we've come across. We like its all-white look since it blends in better with any home decor than most robot vacuums, which are usually black, blue, or gray. Our team would like to highlight that the appealing light ring ringing at the top reveals the robot's status and adds to the sleek look. The start or pause button will have a small light on it that'll breathe the hole while the robot is charging. A dry tank for vacuuming and a mopping tank is included with the robot. On the bottom of the wet tank are 2 circular mop pads that spin to scrub hard floors with a cleaning solution or simple water. When it comes to mopping, BISSELL offers a variety of options, including multi-surface, pet multi-surface with Febreze, and sanitizing formulations. Set up the charging dock at least 40 inches away from anything on both sides and 40 inches across from anything. Put the robot on the floor, turn it on with a button on the side, and then connect it after the charging dock is in place and plugged in. One of our favorite features of Spinwave is that it automatically identifies and avoids carpets while cleaning. It simply turns around in the opposite direction when it reaches the edge of an area. The BISSELL Spinwave Wet and Dry delivers a lot of value for its low price, as it can mop and vacuum at the same time. It pulls up pet hair and dust from hard floors and low-pile carpeting efficiently. Without a doubt, it earns a top spot in our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 spin mops which got our team at In the Home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next spin mop roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.